Prove that 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta by sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta is equal to cot theta. LHS is equal to 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta by sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta is equal to, take common cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1 by sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta into 2 into, here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta minus 1 by 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, that is cot theta into 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1 by 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to cot theta into 2 minus 1, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta cancel. That is equal to cot theta is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS.